So part number 2. I don't know why I put up 4 fingers, but anyway. Say that instead of finishing first and second place, we have it so that we wanted to choose 2 of these runners out of these 5, A, B, C, D, and E, and I don't need to reintroduce you to them. This thing just keeps getting in my way. This is not a really good place to record, but say that instead of choosing first and second place, all we're going to do is we want to choose 2 of these runners to represent us in the state semifinals of the Star Wars actual National Championship of Coolness in semifinals, and we can choose 2 runners from our little race to represent them. So you could either send A and B, or I guess you could send B and A. But if you choose A and B and A, does that really make a difference? It doesn't. So, you know what? Even though A and B and A used to make a difference, because that was order makes a difference, in this case, A and B and A, they didn't make, or that would just count as one kind of combination. You could have A and C, or you could have C and A. But you know what? A and C and A, both of those, that's one combination, because it doesn't really matter if we choose this person first and this person second, or this person first and this person second. It's still going to be sending the same kind of 2 people. So here's the difference. Is you're going to have, back when we had only first and second place winning, we had 20 different kind of permutations that we can choose, we can make, because that's when order mattered. But in this case, when we have combinations and we're saying, hey, order doesn't matter, I just want to choose 2. That means we have twice as many, it's not 20, we have to cross out half of them. Because A and B is the same, choosing A and B is the same as choosing B and A. Both of them are going to be going to the semifinals or whatever. So, in this case, we're only going to be using combinations, and that is, the formula for that is you do 20, and then you take out 10 of them, so you're left with 10 kind of combinations. And that's the next procedure that we're going to be doing. Essentially, in order to figure that out, all you would have to do is do the 5p2, the 5 permutations 2, which ends up giving us 20, but divide that by 2 factorial, and you end up getting 10.